Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Shopify. Today we are going to learn how to fetch products from the Shopify using the Node.js. So we are going to fetch the admin SS API token. With the help of that, we are going to fetch the products from the Shopify admin store. Okay. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to set up our Node.js application. So let me go to the terminal. Okay. So here we go with the terminal. So for this you have all the things like Node.js, npm and everything, node version, so that you can start the development over it. So let me go to my existing folders, cd node, and here I'm going to create a directory that is Shopify, cd Shopify, and I will start a project that is npm initY. Okay, so this is done. I'm going to create a new file that is app.js. It's done. Let's open the code base. So this is opened. Okay, and here we are going to add our code over here. So this is our code, so let me add this, which I have already created. Okay, step by step we are going to do each and every one. Okay, so we require this you can say npm package, so we have to install this npm I. We require this. I think we require express also. Anything else that is added, that is exuse for the API call. Otherwise I think we don't require this one excuse. Okay, next, we here we have to initialize the Shopify instance with the credentials. This is your credentials. Here you need to put your SS token. Okay, for that one we have to create our env file .env. So let's create that .env so that nobody can you can say about the know about my SS token. So I need to go with the .env. Let's install this .env file over here. Okay, so here we go with this one. Let's install this. So here you need to add our store and this is token. So let me go and just use this one. So this is, we have to create the .env file. So here we go with this one. So you have to create a env file and I need to put it like this. Okay, so .env file I have to create .env, and here I need to create the variables that is shop name. So I will create the shop name, or you can add like this, shop underscore name. Okay, and here we require ss token, ss underscore. Here we have the ss token like this, so I will add the ss token like this. Okay, so how we getting all this one, ss underscore token. Okay, so here we go with this one. So how to get you the shop name and the ss token, I'll let you know. So for the shop name, let's go and check our this one. For the shop name, I think we have to go with the our URL, that is our shop URL. So this is, you can see that when I view this store, here you can see that the twice Rajnikant is my shop name. And how to retrieve the ss token key, so here we go with the apps and the sales channels. So please follow each and every video so you don't know like how to retrieve and everything. So here we have the application that is installed on this one. Okay, so here you will able to go with API credentials, you will get the SS token over here. Okay, reveal, copy this and add it over here. Okay, now I will add. So let me pause the video. Okay, so here we go with just a minute. Let's resume. Here now you can see that the shop name from the process.env shop name, process.env from the sys token. So you have to require .env config, so all the data come from the env file. Okay, now this is the request to get retrieve the product information. So I have make a request, get API products. So await shopify.product.list, whatever limit you want to get, you want to add the limit over here, then return the JSON as a product. So send the list of the products as a JSON response. If something goes wrong, it will go over here. Let's run this code and check that. I think we don't have the products here. So I will add some of the sample products. Okay, import products. I will go with this one. Here something issue is there. So like import products, so download the sample, I'm going to use that one. Okay, so let's add this file, that sample one, recent. Okay, so let's upload in preview. So it will generate this one. So I have, now we have a three products which will go, we are going to fetch that one. This is done, you can see three products are there. Let's try to fetch it. Okay, so go to the terminal. Okay, node app.js, and here you can see what is there. Host IP name doesn't matter, certificate host process.env my shopify.com. It is not a cert alternatives DNS my shopify.com. So something is related to the host name. Let me check this one. Give me a 1 second. Okay, I think there is a issue that all the data is over here. Let me comment all this. This is because of this one. So let me comment all of this and then comment this, and let's try to run our code. Okay, so only the get products. Save this. Let's try to run this one. Okay, so here you can see that. Let's open the localhost and check. So localhost 3000. We have a three products, right? So here we go with the products over here. So let's enter this products internal server error. What exactly it is not a cert shop name dot shopify host is this. Let me add the, I don't know why it is giving me that one. I think it should be like this. I have done the wrong one. Okay, so I think this is like that one. Let's try to run this one. Okay, I think code should be not there. Okay, so let me reload this and you will see the data is here, right? So you can see that. Okay, so we have successfully retrieved the product. So first one is example hat. You can see that in the, here you can see we have the example hat, example pants, example t-shirt. So this is the products we have already fetched over here, right? So this part is done. In the next video we are going to learn how to add and update the products in the Shopify store. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.